everyone, welcome back to Page Pulse by Lee. Today we are going to explore one of the most mysterious places on earth, Area 51. You might have heard stories about aliens, UFOs and secret experiments. But what's the truth? Let's find out. Area 51 is a secret military base in the Nevada desert in the United States. For a long time, even its existence was a mystery. It's surrounded by tall fences, guarded heavily, and no one from the public is allowed to enter. The airspace above it is also restricted. That means no aeroplanes are allowed to fly over it, except the ones that belong to the government. The name Area 51 comes from the map grid used by the US Air Force, and it's officially known as Groom Lake because it's built near a large dry lake bed. The base was created in the 1950s during the Cold War, a time when countries were competing to build the fastest and smartest aeroplanes. So what really happens there? For many years, the US government didn't even admit that Area 51 existed. But in the 2013, the CIA finally confirmed that it's a testing site for top secret aircraft and defense technology. Some of the world's most advanced aeroplanes like the U-2 spy plane and the F-117 Nighthawk stealth fighter were tested there. These planes were designed to fly very high and stay invisible to enemy radar. Now, here's where the mystery began. When people living near the desert saw strange lights and fast-moving objects in the sky during the 1950s, they thought they were seeing UFOs, unidentified flying objects. But actually, those lights were from secret aircraft being tested at night. Since no one knew about the projects back then, rumors spread that the government was hiding aliens or crashed spaceships inside Area 51. But the mystery didn't stop there. In 1989, a man named Bob Lazar claimed that he had worked near Area 51 at a secret location he called S4. He said he helped study flying saucers that ran on a mysterious element called Element 115. His story became world famous and made more people believe that aliens and their technology were hidden in Area 51. However, scientists later investigated his claims and found no solid proof that such alien crafts ever existed or that Bob Lazar really worked there. The element he spoke about, now called the Moscovism, does exist, but it lasts only for a few seconds in a lab and can't power anything. So, while Bob Lazar's story added to the mystery, it's still an unproven claim and there's no confirmed evidence to support it. Even today, some people believe that, but there's no real proof that aliens have ever been there. All the evidence that we have shows that it's mainly used for aircraft testing and research on advanced technology. Because of its secrecy, Area 51 became super famous in movies, books and games. It even became part of internet joke, like the Storm Area 51 event in 2019, where thousands of people said they'd run into the base to see the aliens. Of course, it was just a joke and no one actually did it because entering the area is strictly forbidden. So, what's the truth about Area 51? It's not an alien hideout. It's a high security place where the US government develops and tests secret aircraft and technology. But the mystery and imagination around it reminds us how curious we humans are about the unknown. And that's what makes learning so exciting. I hope you liked this video. For more such amazing facts and stories, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned to my channel. Until my next video, stay curious and keep exploring. Signing off, Page Pulse by Lee. See you next time.